Hublei phi baro kini kilongki khubor bamda kasngi. Ka Voice of the People Party VPP lingba u President ka party ba Arden Embasayomon bad u MLA ka maulai ba Bright Stewell Marbanyang kila lecha secretariat menta kasngi ban kendo yu menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ki sangma alor ka jing persyang banyakran Bniah ya ka MLA Skhim. Ka jingyalang hapdeng ki arliang kelalong ha office menteri rangba ha ka baka VPP kala ai jing pensyai halor ka Nongkrem jengka ban Dawa ban penbet thamai ne ban wengi ki benta jengka MLA Skhim ki bala penmi jengkela ban jengbam sngotna ha ki pait ba halor ka ne ka VPP kala let ban penpau hakmat menteri rangba hi daw ki bala pelong ye ka parti ban perkhat baka sarkar ka de ban shimkhya ya ka jinglong jingman jengka Skhim khamtam habaki pait ba ki kentho bakla kelalong kalat penban bar ka jingbam ya dei bar ka kam ai jing yarap pat ba Menteri rangba Konrad ke sangma ulas ngap Bniah ye ke jing ong ka VPP ba la yathu ba unsa bishar sani halor ka ei ka bala wanra ha ka jing yalang ka jing primna ba ka rai jing ka sarkar halor ka ne ka binta kan sami ha ka sngi banwan
agani ka sngi nagaleng ka jing ka party nagaleng ka jing president ba jing ba Bright Stewell long ba ni jing ba niwan ban ai gani ka shithi our chief minister ka shithi ha ka bidi ba jing pentri kam ye ka MLA Skhim Kaba kalami ka jing kan tho nagaleng ka jing chief minister ba Pentri kam ya ke MLA Skhim ha khamtam ha kini ki constituency balami khmat ha ki yang persya mo dakba tho se ki tho ko khambon se ka Voice of the People Party kamilong ka ba pet se ka ba tikana te gani ki sithi ka long kum me mo man puli khnya na sai ka copy na sub copy to Sri Conrad Sangma Honorable Chief Minister Government of Meghalaya Shillong from Arden Miller Simon MLA President Voice of the People Party, like our Captain 1, East Castle District. Subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is kamdon karukom pentri kam kapanjanai yang agbede bagi any scheme. The Nagalian Kajun, but Nagalian Kajun present one on the Jiko and Dawanus Chimsa would even how the Tohkit mock like independent inquiry, but Sdang ban Tohkit yaki Jipen Trekam yaki MLA scheme, Nadu Usinem Arjara, but a Sdang Nongkrem constituency, but Spenboard Party constituency.